Hello aviators, how are you today? My name is Magnar Nordahl and I am known at New Zealand Warbird Association at Ardmore Airfield in New Zealand. And I'm standing in front of a historic aircraft, a Miles Messenger, construction from 1942, built by the British light aircraft manufacturer Miles. And this aircraft is painted in the colors of the personal transport of Field Marshal Montgomery, who used three of those aircraft during the Second World War. The Miles M.38 Messenger is a British four-seat liaison aircraft developed and manufactured by Miles Aircraft in the United Kingdom. It was created in response to an informal request made in June 1942 by a group of British Army officers who wanted a rugged, low-maintenance observation aircraft capable of flying at very low speeds. The prototype first flew in September 1942. Trials with an Aerial Observation Post Squadron proved highly successful, with the aircraft meeting all Army requirements. However, the Ministry of Aircraft Production had not been consulted during development and criticized Miles Aircraft for proceeding without official approval. As a result, no production orders were placed. A year later, a small order was issued under Specification 17/43 for Royal Air Force. This aircraft, designated Messenger Mark I, served in the VIP and passenger transport role with 23 examples produced. Following the war, Miles produced 65 civilian versions designated the Messenger Mark II-A. A handful of additional variants were also constructed, bringing the total production of the Miles Messenger to just 93 aircraft. Let's do a walk around. Monty was the nickname of Montgomery. This propeller drives a generator supplying the electrical systems. The landing gear has a trailing link, which makes the aircraft suitable for rugged airstrips. The wing has a rounded leading edge, which ensures good low-speed handling. The black and white stripes were painted on Allied aircraft before and after the invasion in Normandy in 1944. They made it easier for ground forces to identify the aircraft as friendly. The aircraft features a wooden monocoque structure, giving a very smooth surface. The wing area is quite large, giving a wing loading of just 12.5 pounds per square foot. The flaps is attached behind the wing. The stall speed is only 25 miles per hour, and the aircraft is easy and forgiving to fly. The cruise speed is 124 miles per hour, and the endurance exceeds 5 hours. The doors open upwards like gull wings. To assist the entry, there is a grip here. The cabin can seat one pilot and 3 passengers. The instrument panel is basic and appears to have been upgraded with VHF radio, directional gyro and transponder. The pitch trim wheel is between the seats. The empennage has triple fins and rudders. This ensures control authority at low speeds. The stars under the flag represent Montgomery's rank as Field Marshal. The combined pitot tube and static port is located under the left wing. And not to forget, here is a Venturi tube used to provide vacuum for the gyro instruments. The windscreen is a distinct trademark for Miles. The Messenger Mark I was fitted with a 6.1-liter de Havilland Gypsy Major 1 air-cooled inverted inline engine, an engine also used in the well-known de Havilland Tiger Moth. The inverted cylinder arrangement improved propeller ground clearance, although it tends to suffer from oil leaks. The Messenger Mark II-A is fitted with a Blackburn-built Series Major 3 engine, producing 155 horsepower when needed. Here we have a look at the engine cylinders hanging upside down. And that concludes the walk around of Montgomery's Miles Messenger. This museum has many other interesting aircraft on display, and many of them are flying regularly. Which aircraft shall I cover next time? Have a look at the collection in the outro and let me know in the comment section below. And that is all for this time. Thank you for watching, have a wonderful day, and happy landing!